Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a premium dropshipping store from start to finish. I'll teach you only things that you need to learn to create a premium dropshipping store. We'll create this premium dropshipping store with Sellvia. Sellvia is an e-commerce service in Irvine, California in USA. So before we get started, let's take a look at what kind of store that we are going to create in this video. In this premium store, you will get these following features. 103 business day swift shipping. In this premium store, you will be able to ship product across the United States of America with 103 business days. And Sellvia does not include any identifier in or on their product packages, which is awesome guys. This keeps your brand safe and ensure that your business remain first contact of consumer. And remember this, wherever you live in, you can always ship product across the United States with Sellvia. So what it means for you? Trouble-free business, happy customer, and repeated purchase. Awesome, right? And second important thing, you will get product price lower than on AliExpress. When your customer buys something from your store, you reorder that item from Sellvia at attractive price. Your store price will be lower than those AliExpress suppliers, which is incredible but true. Only winning product in stock. Every item in your store will be top of the latest trend. And next you get stellar product page. When you import product in your store, you're not importing product from AliExpress, you're importing product from Sellvia with splendid product page with top-notch photos, videos, and compelling description and real customer reviews. And next you will get fast shipping batches for boosting your sale. You can attract more people by enabling Sellvia's shipping batches on your product page. With this smart tool, you can increase your profit up to 45%. And finally, you will get an ad campaign for each item in your store. So when you import product from Sellvia in your dropshipping store, you will get highly profitable marketing campaign which includes videos, banners, and ad copy of Facebook and Instagram. And finally, all you have to do is copy a promo campaign and launch your own Facebook and Instagram ad and earn big. So these are the major features that you are going to get with Sellvia to create this premium dropshipping store. So let's get started and let's start building our premium dropshipping store with our first step. So let's get started. Let's start building a premium dropshipping store. We are going to create our premium dropshipping store in 15 parts. So in our part 1, we are going to get hosting and domain name. Hosting is a place where all your website file will be stored, and domain name is your website name. To start with our first part, let's click the link below of this video. It will take you to GoDaddy's website. Here you can choose your web hosting plan. I'm going to choose economy plan, which is more than enough to get started. Let's click on add to cart. And here you have to type in your domain name and then click on submit. You can see our domain is available. Now click on select and continue. Now select how many months you want to buy this web hosting. I'm going to choose 12 month. And now scroll down and then click on checkout. If you do not have account on GoDaddy's website, you can create an account by filling this form. Since I already have account on GoDaddy, I'm going to click on sign in. So I'm going to log in with my existing account by typing my email and password and then click on sign in. Now type in your payment detail and click save. Now you can see my billing and payment information is already there because I'm an existing user of GoDaddy. If you do not see your billing information or payment information there, make sure you type in your billing and payment information and then complete your purchase. Now click on this option button of this pop-up window and then click on allow pop-up for cart.godaddy.com. In this pop-up window, you have to complete this payment. So once you place an order, then go to my account. If you do not know where is my account tab, you can simply go to your profile this drop down button and then you can click on my product. You will land on the same web page. Okay, so as you can see that we just bought a web hosting from GoDaddy. In our second part, we are going to install WordPress. To get started, let's scroll down. Now click on Manage All alongside web hosting. Now click on this drop down button and click on Setup. So now you have to select your domain. I'm going to select this domain that we just bought with this plan. So here you have to select your data center. I'm going to select Asia. Now click on Yes, let's do it. Type your WordPress username and create your password, and type your password once again and then click on Next. So here you can create a branded email ID which look more professional. Here I'm going to type info@𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Updating domain, applying things, onboarding completed successfully. Now click on go to the dashboard. So I'm going to click on no, I don't want to participate, and then click on confirm. So guys, we have successfully installed a WordPress. To access your WordPress dashboard, simply click on admin, scroll down and click on use default WordPress, and then click on yes, I'm sure, and then click on no thanks, I just want to exit. Alright guys, so this is our WordPress dashboard. If you hover your mouse over here and then right click and open up a new tab, and this is your WordPress website looks like by default. Let's close these tabs. In our third part, we are going to install free SSL certificate. If you hover your mouse over here on this lock, you will see connection is not secure, which means information shared between your website and your visitor will not be secure. To secure your website, you have to install a SSL certificate. So guys, there are two types of SSL certificate that you will learn on this video. I'll tell you everything about those SSL certificate, how to install them and what are the difference between them. First, we are going to install a flexible SSL certificate, and later I'll show you how to install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. So let's get started and let's install a flexible SSL certificate. To install SSL certificate, we have to create a Cloudflare account. So let's go ahead and open up a new tab. Let's open google.com and perform a Google search for Cloudflare and open up this website, cloudflare.com. So on this website, you have to create an account. Let's go ahead, click on sign up. Here type your email and type your password and then click on create account. So now we have to activate our Cloudflare account. Cloudflare has sent us a verification email at our email address. Let's go ahead, open up your mailbox. So as you can see that Cloudflare has sent us a verification email. Let's open up this email and now let's verify by clicking on this link. So as you can see that our email address is now verified, which means our Cloudflare account is activated. Let's click on continue to dashboard. Let's close these tabs. Now we can add our website on this Cloudflare account. To add a site, you can click over here or you can click over here. Alright. So in my case, I will not add my domain name on this Cloudflare account. Basically, I'll keep all my domains in one Cloudflare account. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let me quickly log out to this account. So now let me quickly log in into my official Cloudflare account. So now I'm inside my official Cloudflare account. So these are my domain name and I'm going to add a brand new domain to this Cloudflare account. To do that, let's go ahead, click on add site and then simply type your domain name and then click on add site. So on this page, you have to select your plan. Let's scroll down and select free plan and then click on continue. Now Cloudflare is scanning a DNS record of this domain name. Now Cloudflare has scanned all the DNS record. Now simply scroll down and then click on continue. So on this page, Cloudflare is simply telling us that you have to remove your name server from your domain name. My domain name is registered with GoDaddy. So I have to remove GoDaddy's name server from my domain name and I have to add Cloudflare name server into my domain name. Simply, we have to replace these name server, right? If you don't get it, let me show you what I mean by that. Let's simply copy a name server, first one, and let's go to your domain registrar. In my case, this is a GoDaddy. So once you log in into your GoDaddy account, you have to go to My Product. Under the Domains section, select your domain and then click on Manage DNS and then scroll down. You will see a section called Name Servers. Simply click on Change and then click on Enter My Own Name Server and type your name server over here. And let's copy the second one from Cloudflare. Let's go back to GoDaddy and paste the second name server. Once you do that, simply click on Save and select this option and then click on Continue. So we are done here. Let's go back to Cloudflare, scroll down and then click on Done Check Name Server. So on this page, let's click on Get Started. Now click on Save. Now you have to turn this on. Always use HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol and then click on Save. Now click on Save once again. One more time, click on Save. And finally, click on Finish. Now we have successfully installed a flexible SSL certificate on our domain name. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go to your website and type HTTPS, // and enter. If you see a warning like this, which means SSL certificate is not reflecting on your domain name, this is happening just because of caching. When your computer remove all the caching automatically, you will see SSL certificate working on your domain name. It may take up to 24 hours. Sometimes it reflects instantly. However, you may have to wait for a couple of hours or couple of minutes, but you have to keep checking your domain name time to time. Let's go back and open our website without SSL certificate. So now we have to install a free plugin on our website. Let's go to Plugins and then click on Add New and search a plugin Simple SSL and install this plugin. Really simple SSL. Click on Install Now and then click on Activate. Now click on Go Ahead Activate SSL Certificate. So before we proceed with our next step, let me tell you one thing. Your domain name has SSL certificate in it. I'm telling you this why? Because Cloudflare telling us your site is protected with Cloudflare. Okay. To prove that, let me open up this domain name with VPN. Let's copy a domain name. Let me use a VPN. And let's open your domain name using HTTPS. Alright guys, as you can see, connection is secure, which means your domain name has a SSL certificate. So this is a flexible SSL certificate. Let me stop VPN. Let's refresh the page. And now you can see that connection is not secure. This is happening just because of caching. So don't worry about it. Wait for up to 24 hours. Let's open up this domain name without SSL certificate. Let's remove this S. Let's go to your Cloudflare account. Alright guys, now we are going to install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. But before that, let's look at the difference between flexible and full inscription mode. Flexible SSL certificate secures the sensitive information between user and your website, not a server. On the contrary, full inscription mode secures the sensitive information between user and your website plus between a server. So now let me show you how you can install a full inscription mode SSL certificate. First of all, let's go to your Cloudflare account and now click on SSL/TLS. Let's click on this lock. Alright, as you can see that if flexible selected, information or connection secure between visitor and Cloudflare. If you go with full inscription mode, end-to-end inscription mode, that means your server will be secure as well. So let's go ahead and select full inscription mode and now click on Origin Server and then click on Create Certificate and then scroll down. You can see that this certificate is valid maximum 15 years. After 15 years, you can renew this SSL certificate. But I think this is enough with a free plan. Now simply click on create. Now we have to copy and paste these texts in our web hosting. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's simply click on click to copy. Your text will be copied. Let's go to cPanel web hosting and let's go to your account. Let's go to my account and let's scroll down. Let's go to your hosting panel. Let's click on manage alongside with web hosting. So now we are inside the hosting panel. So I'm using a GoDaddy's cPanel hosting. Let's go ahead, open up a cPanel dashboard. Alright guys, so now we are inside a GoDaddy's cPanel web hosting. Let's scroll down and now click on SSL/TLS under the security section. So here, now click on manage SSL sites. Now scroll down. Here we have to paste our CTR, but before that, let's select your domain and now paste your certificate over here. Let's go back here. Let's copy your origin certificate. Let's go back to your hosting and paste your certificate just like that. Scroll down. Here we have to paste a private key text. Let's go back to Cloudflare. Let's copy a private key text. Let's go back to your hosting and paste it over here. And now scroll down. So now we need a authority bundle. To get that, go to the description box of this video and click on the authority bundle link and you will land on this website. Here, simply scroll down and now click on Cloudflare Origin CA RSA Roots. Open this up and copy this authority bundle and let's go back to your hosting and paste your authority bundle over here and simply click on install certificate and then click OK. Alright, so our SSL certificate. Alright guys, now we have successfully installed a full inscription mode SSL certificate on our website. Let's go back to your website and let's log in once again. So you still see this message. Don't worry, just wait for a couple of hours. Your problem will be fixed. So guys, I'll see you when my SSL certificate reflects on my domain name.
1 hour later.
So guys, as you can see that my full inscription mode SSL certificate now reflecting on my domain name as well. So as you can see that there is no VPN. If I refresh the page, you can see that SSL certificate still there. For me, it took almost 1 hour to reflect on my domain name. In your case, it could work anytime between 24 hours. You just have to wait for it. Alright. In our part 4, we are going to install theme and plugin. To do that, let's go ahead and log in into our WordPress dashboard. To log in into a dashboard, simply type your domain name and after that type /wp-admin and press enter and it will take you to login page. Here, simply type your username and password and click on login. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Now we are going to install a theme. Now click on the second link below this video and it will take you to this website. So guys, here you have to buy this theme. This is a premium theme. This is the exact theme that we want to create our premium dropshipping website. The best thing about this theme, you can convert your premium dropshipping store into mobile app. In a separate video, I'll show you how you can do that. But in this video, we are only building a premium dropshipping store. So we need this theme. Let's go ahead, buy this theme by clicking over buy theme button and fill in your information and your payment information and complete your order. Since I already have this theme, so I'm not going to do this. So I'm going to close this tab. To install a theme, let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. Now click on add new and then click on upload theme. Here you can browse your theme or you can drag and drop your theme file. Now drag and drop your file and now click on install now and then click on activate. Now you have successfully installed and activated your theme. So now we are going to install a special plugin. This special plugin going to turn our simple website into AliExpress premium dropshipping website. Now click on the third link below this video and it will take you to this website. So guys, here you can buy this plugin only for $89. This is the best and right place to invest your money, and this will be one-time investment, guys. Once you buy this plugin, you will get lifetime update of this plugin. If you use my coupon code, you will get up to 15% off on this plugin. To buy this plugin, let's go ahead, click on buy now for only $89. On this page, you have to fill in your information and your payment information and complete your order. Since I already have this plugin, I'm not going to buy it again. So I'm going to close this. Once you have this plugin, you will get a zip file. Let's go ahead and install this plugin. To install it, let's go to plugins and then click on add new. And then click on upload plugin. Here you can drag and drop your plugin file. And then click on install now. And then click on activate plugin. Once you activate this plugin, you may encounter with this type of error message. 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗃 loader not found. To fix this problem, you have to install 𝗵𝗵𝗃 extension on your web hosting. Let me show you how you can do that. Now log into your web hosting. In my case, this is a GoDaddy. And then go to My Products. Now scroll down and click on Manage under Web Hosting. Now click on cPanel Admin and it will take you to cPanel. Now scroll down and click on Select PHP version. So guys, here make sure your current PHP version and your Alidropship original PHP version should be the same. Next, you have to make sure your 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗃 extension should be installed. Right now, this is not installed. To install it, just click over here and check this option. This will install this module or this extension. So by doing so, your problem will be solved. So now we are going to activate our theme and plugin with our license key. First, let's activate our Alidropship original plugin with our license key. Let's go ahead, click on Alidropship and then click on license. Here, type your license key and then click on activate. You will see this message, congratulations, your license has been activated. Let's go ahead, click on main menu. Let's go to the dashboard. In the same way, you can activate your theme with your license key. To do that, let's go ahead, click on customization. And here you can paste your license key and click on activate. And your theme will be activated as well. Once you do that, let's go to the dashboard. So now we have successfully installed and activated our Alidropship original plugin and our El-Greco original theme. Now let's move with our part 5. Now we are going to get Sellvia subscription for free for 30 days. Now click on the fourth link below this video. It will take you to this website. On this website, let's go ahead, click on this button. Try now, it's free. Here you can choose your plan. You can go with monthly plan or you can go with yearly plan. If you go with yearly plan, you can save $169. So as you can see that you don't have to pay anything. After 30 days, you have to pay $39 if you go with monthly plan. But I recommend you to go with yearly plan. This is an awesome subscription, guys. I highly recommend you to buy this subscription if you want your premium dropshipping store. To get it, fill in your information and your payment information and complete your order. Since I already have the subscription, I'm not gonna buy it again. Let's go to sellvia.com and log in into your account. But first, let's close this tab. To log in into your account, let's go ahead, click on account and type in your email and password and then click on login. On your My Account page, let's go ahead, click on API keys. And here you can download the Sellvia plugin by clicking on download now and save this file. Now open a new tab and log in into your WordPress dashboard. Now let's install Sellvia plugin. Let's go to plugins and then click on Add New. And then click on Upload Plugin. And here you can drag and drop your plugin file. Now click on Install Now. And then click on Activate. If you look at here, you can see this is a WooCommerce version of this Premium Dropshipping Store. In this store, I'm using Alidropship Woo version. Like I mentioned earlier, there are two types of Alidropship plugin, Alidropship Original and Alidropship Woo version. In this video, we are going to look at how we can create a premium dropshipping store with Alidropship Original Plugin. I just want to show you guys how to install Sellvia plugin in your premium dropshipping store. It doesn't really matter. Process will be the same whether you're installing Sellvia plugin in your Woo version of your premium dropshipping store or in your original version of premium dropshipping store. Anyways, let's activate our Sellvia plugin with our public key and secret key. Now in your WordPress dashboard, click on Sellvia. Here you have to type in your public key and secret key in order to work this plugin properly. In order to get your public and secret key, let's go back to your sellvia.com. Click on API keys under My Account page. Scroll down and you will see your public and secret key. Now copy your public and secret key and go back to your site and paste your public and secret key one by one in order to activate your Sellvia subscription on your site. After that, click on Activate and you will see this message, API key has been activated. Now if you see this message, your Sellvia subscription is active, which means you are ready to import product from sellvia.com. So in our part 6, we are going to look at how we can import products from sellvia.com. In your dashboard of your WordPress site, scroll down and hover your mouse over Sellvia and click on Product List. Here you can import product with the help of this filter. You can import product by category by clicking on this category drop-down menu, or you can import product by typing a keyword, or you can import product by short or by value. If you want to search particular product, just type in over here. Let's search for toy and you will see all the products related to this keyword. Here you can import product one by one. So if you want to import any product, just find that product and select your product category that you have created and then click on Import. It will import this product on your website. So now let's look at the product on your website. Hover your mouse over here and then right click, visit your site, and let's go to Toys. Scroll down. Click on Load More. So this is the product that we just imported. Select it and now you can see you are selling this product on your website for $45.99 and you will see a fast shipping batch. And if you scroll down, you can see your product page, which is beautiful product page, guys. And below that you will see real customer reviews, which is awesome. By clicking over here, you can go to the top. When your customer buy product from your store at this price, you can reorder this item. You can reorder this item from sellvia.com at attractive price. Let's go to sellvia.com. Let's log into your account. Let's click on catalog. Click on browse catalog and search your product. Select your product. So as you can see from sellvia.com, you will reorder this item $19.49 and your retail price would be $45 and your profit would be $26. And this is the exact product page you can import on your site with real customer reviews. Okay, let's close this. Okay, let's close this one as well. So now you have seen how to import single product. What if you want to import product in a bulk? Then how you can do that? Well, let's go back to your WordPress dashboard and then scroll down and hover your mouse over Sellvia and then click on preset. So guys, here you can import products in a bulk with the help of preset. Sellvia's presets are collections of product in particular niche that you can import to your store in a bulk. If you click on this drop down menu, you can select your specific niche. Once you decide your niche, select your niche and click on install preset. It will install all the products and its category. Since I already have this preset on my Premium Dropshipping Store, I'm not gonna do this again. After installing this preset, your 80% work has done on your Premium Dropshipping Store. So in part 7, we are going to look at WordPress essential settings. Let's go to the dashboard of your Premium Dropshipping Store and scroll down and hover your mouse over settings and then click on general. Here you can type in your site title, your site tagline, and make sure your WordPress address URL and your site address URL should be the same. And next you can type in your administration email. In my case, it's already there. And next, make sure you check this option, membership. Anyone can register on your site. This should be checked. And next, select your new user role. It should be subscriber. Scroll down. And here you can change your site language and your time zone. A quick reminder, I'm from India and I'm running my dropshipping business only in United States of America. Anyways, scroll down. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. And now go to the Writings tab. Everything is good here. You don't have to change anything. Let's go to the Readings tab. So guys, here, your home page display should be a static page and should be selected your home page, and your post page should be a blog page. Okay. And below that, you can choose how many posts you want to display on your blog page. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Let's go to the Discussion tab. So guys, here, make sure you have exact same option checked as you can see here. Once you do that, scroll down, click on Save Changes. Let's go ahead and look at the permalinks. So guys, this is the very important settings that you should change on your website. Under the common settings, make sure you choose post name and scroll down and then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the privacy. Here you should select your privacy policy page. In my case, it is already there. If you do not have privacy policy page, you can create a new one by clicking over here, or you can create a new privacy policy page by going to Pages and click on Add New. And from there, you can create your own privacy policy page for your dropshipping store. Okay, so this is your essential settings of WordPress. In our part 8, we are going to look at how to set up Alidropship Original Plugin. Let's head over to the dashboard of your site. Let's click on your Alidropship Original Plugin and then hover your mouse over settings and then click on General. In this Premium Dropshipping Store, I already set up my Alidropship Original Plugin. All you have to do, just copy my settings. You can pause the video anytime and just copy my settings and set up your own Alidropship Original Plugin. In the General tab, we have the order fulfillment. Here you can type in your own phone number if customer number doesn't provide it. Below that, you can change this note if you want. By default, it is good, so I leave it as it is. Scroll down. You can copy these settings, exactly what I did here for American customers. Let's go to the pricing. So here I haven't created any pricing formula because we are not importing product from AliExpress. We are importing products from Sellvia.com. That's why there is no need for pricing formula. Let's go to the currency. So here you can select US and additional currency should be US only because we are selling product only in United States of America. Let's go to the updates. Now you can copy my settings from here as well. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. We will look at payments and notification later on, but now let's go ahead and look at the shippings. Here you can see shipping country, United States, default country, United States. If you scroll down, you can see I have enabled only free shipping on all my products. If I click on Edit, you can look at my shipping options. Let's go back. Now let's go to the Manage Attributes. Here you don't have to change anything. Let's go to Manage Size Guide. You don't have to change anything over here as well. We will look at the notification later on, like I said earlier. Let's go to the coupons. Here you can create your coupons code for your customer. I haven't created any coupons code yet, but you can create a coupon code by clicking on add new, and then you can activate that coupon code, right? Let's go to the accounts. Here make sure you enable this option and scroll down. If you want to allow your customer to log in into your website with social icons, then you can enable these options. I haven't set up a social login on my Premium Dropshipping Store yet, but if you want to learn how to set up a social login on your Premium Dropshipping Store, just drop your comment below this video and you will get a separate video where I'll show you guys how to set up a social login on your Premium Dropshipping Store. Okay, let's click on SEO. So I'm not using Alidropship Original Plugin SEO functionality because I'm using Yoast SEO plugin to make my Premium Dropshipping Store SEO friendly, and I haven't changed anything over here. Okay, let's go to the taxes. You can enable taxes if you want. Just copy my settings, and here you can create your own tax rate. Right now I haven't created any tax rate, so I leave it as it is. If you look at the export settings, here you can import or export settings of your Premium Dropshipping Store. Let's say you have another Premium Dropshipping Store. You can export all of these settings as a file. You can save this file and go to your another Premium Dropshipping Store and then go to export setting of that store and import this file that you just exported from your this dropshipping store. This way you can import and export settings of your one particular Premium Dropshipping Store. Okay. So this is our basic settings of Alidropship Original Plugin. In part 9, we are going to look at how to set up PayPal payment gateway on our Premium Dropshipping Store. In your WordPress dashboard, let's go to Alidropship Original Plugin and then hover your mouse over settings and then click on payments. Again, just copy my settings because I already set up my PayPal payment gateway on this Premium Dropshipping Store. Just scroll down. Here you can see I just enable only PayPal on this Premium Dropshipping Store. If you want to enable different types of payment gateway, you can scroll up. Here you can choose different types of payment gateway like PayUmoney, Stripe, Razorpay, and other famous payment gateway. I like PayPal, that's why I only enable PayPal on my Premium Dropshipping Store. Once you enable this option, scroll down. Just copy these settings and here you need client ID and secret key. To get it, let's go to developer.paypal.com and log in into your dashboard. However, if you do not have PayPal account, you can create a new one. Let's go to PayPal and click on sign up. And here you can choose what type of account you want to create, individual or business. You can go with business account and then click on next. But in this video, I'm not going to show you how to sign up on PayPal. If you want to learn from me, you just have to drop a comment in the comment section below of this video and I will create a separate video where I'll show you how to sign up on PayPal. Anyways, let's close this out. I already have PayPal account, so I'm gonna log in. Let's click on login into dashboard and type in your email and password and click on login. So on this page, make sure you are in My Apps and Credentials. And here you can see we have two options, Sandbox and Live. Sandbox is a test mode for testing out your payments, and Live is a live API credential where you're able to receive real payment from real customer. Let's go ahead, click on Live. So guys, here you have to create an app. As you can see, I already have couple of apps here. To create a new app, let's go ahead, click on Create App. Type your app name and then click on Create App. Once you do that, scroll down. You will see your client ID and your secret key. If you click over here, you can see your secret key and your client ID. Just copy these credentials and go back to your store. And here you can paste your client ID and your secret key. Once you do that, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Scroll down and you will see another option, Cash on Delivery. On my Premium Dropshipping Store, I haven't enabled cash on delivery. But if you want to enable this, you can do that as well. Okay, so this is our PayPal payment gateway for our premium dropshipping store. So if you want to learn how to set up different types of payment gateway on your premium dropshipping store, just comment in the comment section below of this video and I will create a separate video for you guys. In our part 10, we are going to look at how to set up mailing service on our premium dropshipping store. Mailing service allow you to send email notification to your customer automatically when your customer do something on your website. Like when your customer create an account, your website will send that customer a email notification automatically, or when your customer buys something from your store, your customer will receive an email notification automatically. And there are different types of notification can be sent when your customer do different types of activity on your premium dropshipping store. We will set up email notification service with Sendinblue. Now click on the fifth link below of this video and you will land on this website. So guys, here you have to create an account. To do that, let's go ahead, click on sign up for free, and here type in your email, your password, and then click on create account. After that, Sendinblue will send you confirmation email. In that email, you will see a button which says confirm my email. Just click on that and your email will be confirmed. In the next page, you have to complete your profile. And then you have to validate your phone number. In the next page, click on continue with free plan. And your Sendinblue account will be created. Next thing you have to do, you have to verify your domain name. To do that, let's click on this drop down button and then click on sender and IP. And here, go to domains. My one domain is already verified. Now I'm going to show you how you can verify your own domain. Let's click on add new domain. Type your domain name and then click on save. So now you have to create a file with the same name. Just highlight the text, copy it, and let's open a notepad. So in this notepad, you don't have to type anything. Let's click on file, click on save, and here paste your text and then click on save. Let's close this and don't close this out. And let's go to your web hosting, open a new tab. In my case, this is a GoDaddy. Under your My Products, scroll down and click on Manage under Web Hosting. Now click on cPanel Admin. So in your cPanel, let's go to File Manager and go to public_HTML. So this is your root directory. Here you have to upload that same file. To do that, let's click on Upload. Here you can drag and drop your file. In my case, the file is already existed, so I'm not going to upload it again. Once you upload your file, let's go to Sendinblue and then click on File Hosted, please verify it. And your domain will be verified. Once you do that, click on I am done. Let's close this. I'm going to delete this domain. Once you verify your domain, then scroll up, click on this drop down button, and then click on SMTP and API. So here, create your new API key by clicking on create a new API key button. Type the name of your API key and then click on generate. Here, you can copy this key by clicking over here, click OK, and then go back to your store. And let's click on Alidropship Original Plugin and then hover your mouse over settings and then click on notifications. So now you can see we have mailing service settings. Here, under this drop down option, make sure you select Sendinblue and paste your API key and then click on Save Changes. And that's it. Now scroll down. Just copy my other settings because I already set up my email mailing service on this premium dropshipping store. Pause the video anywhere you want. Just copy my settings. And this is email template. You can create your own email template if you want. Alright, so this is my email mailing service settings. If you are getting any kind of issue with your email mailing service, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will definitely answer your questions as quickly as possible. In part 11, we will look at how to customize your premium dropshipping store. In order to customize your store, let's go to your dashboard of your WordPress site. Now scroll down and hover your mouse over customization and then click on general. I already customized this premium dropshipping store. All you have to do, just copy my settings and customize your own premium dropshipping store. You can pause the video anywhere you want if you like. In the general settings, I recommend you to upload PNG image with transparent background, and this would be the size of your favicon icon. If you do not know how to create favicon icon or your website logo, if you do not know how to create a favicon or logo for your site, you can watch my other video. I already created a video where I'll show you guys how to create a logo for free, and you don't need to hire a graphic designer. You can create a logo for free by yourself. Let's scroll down. Just copy my settings. Here you can change the color if you want. Let's go to head. Here you don't have to change anything. Let's go to header. Here you can upload your website logo. I already created this logo for my website, and this would be the size of your logo. And now click on home. Here you can copy my settings. And this is a banner for first slide. This banner will appear on web and this banner will appear on mobile phones. There are two differences between both banners. One is the size and second is opacity. For mobile banners, I drop the opacity. Let's scroll down. In the same way, I added the second banner on my slide and I upload that as well. And here you can see I upload this beautiful image. I created this image with Photoshop and this is the size of this image. This image will appear on your home page. Let me show you. If you scroll down, you can see these are the three images that I uploaded here. And I added the link to these images. Now click on single product. Again, you can copy my settings. I have removed some of these images. If you go back to your home page of my site, you can see I have removed some of these images. Okay. About Us tab. I disable that. Okay. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Settings. Let's go back to the top. Conversion Booster. Again, here you can copy my settings. Let's go to the checkout. Let's scroll up. Let's go to About Us. Here you can see I have uploaded custom image. If you want the same image, you can go to the description box of this video and you can download this image. Now click on Thank You. Here you can upload your own image if you want, but in my case, I haven't changed this image. Let's scroll down, just copy my settings. Let's go to the Contact Us. Here you should type your email. In my case, I have my branded email. If you want to know how to create a branded email, just drop a comment in the comment section below and I will create a video for you guys. In my channel, I already have a video how to create a branded email. You can check out that video as well. Let's scroll down. Let's click on social media. Here you can see I added my Facebook and Instagram link and Pinterest link. Later in this video, I'll show you how to create social media account for your premium dropshipping store. Let's go ahead, click on footer. You can copy my footer settings. And these are the removed images. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on Save Settings, or you can save all settings by clicking over here. If by mistake you do something wrong, you can click on Default to reset your settings. Let's go back to the top. Now click on Subscribe Form and you don't have to change anything over here. Let's go to Blog. Now scroll down. And these are my blog settings. Let's go to 404 page. Here you can type your own text if you want, but in my case, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's go to customer account. Here you can change your customer account color, customer account button color, customer account button hover color. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Settings. And next, I'm gonna show you how you can customize your menus. In this premium dropshipping theme, you will get 3 different positions for your menus. First, we have the main menu. If you scroll down, you will see we have company info and we have the purchase info. And this is the separate menu and this is another menu. And we have the top menu. If you want to change anything from your menu, let's go ahead, click on Customize and then go to Menus. And here you can see we have the company info, which is selected right here under the menu location. And next we have the purchase menu. And you can see we have the purchase menu selected in the menu location. And next we have the top menu, which is selected the main menu, which is top menu, right? In this premium dropshipping store, I already set up my menu. It is very simple. Let's go back and now let me show you how to create a menu. Let's go ahead, click on Create New Menu and here type your menu name. I'm gonna type Test because this name will not appear on your site. This is just for you. And here you can select your menu location. I'm not gonna do that because I already have these menus in their right positions. So I'm gonna leave it unchecked. But in your case, you have to choose your menu location. And then click on Next. On this page, you can add item to your menu by clicking on Add Item. In this menu, you can add pages, you can add post, you can add products, you can add product category, you can add tag category, product categories, you can add whatever you want. Let's go ahead and add this parent essentials. Let's add few more. So now you can see we have added 3 items into this menu. If you want to create a sub menu, just drag and drop that item wherever you want to create a sub menu. Once you do that, click on Publish. Let's close this. So this is the one way you can create a menu. In the same way, you can create a menu by going to your dashboard, then hover your mouse over Appearance and then click on Menus. So here, in the same way, you can create a new menu by clicking on Create New Menu button and then you have to select your menu and click on Select. And now you can adjust your menu. Okay, you can add item from here. and then click on add to menu. The item will be added to your menu. Once you do that, click on save changes. Okay, so this is my premium dropshipping store customization settings. In part 12, we are going to look at on-page SEO on our premium dropshipping store. For the demonstration purposes, I'll use local website. This is my premium dropshipping store and this is my local website, or you can say demo website. For on-page SEO, we are going to install a plugin. To do that, let's hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new and come over here and search for Yoast SEO. Now install this plugin and then click on activate. Once you install and activate your plugin, now hover your mouse over SEO and then click on general. Now click on configuration wizard. Here, select first option and click next. Now you have to select your site type. Select the second option, online shop, and click next. Here you can select organization and below that you can type your organization name. Below that, upload your website logo. Drag and drop your logo here. Now click on choose image. Scroll down. Here you can add your social media URL. So let me copy my social media URL from my original website. Once you add your social media account URL, scroll down and click next. In search engine visibility, click on next. Multiple author, select no and then click next. Now title settings, website title, you should type your website title over here and then click next. Here you can choose no and then click next. Now scroll down, click next. So now you will see you have done it. Let's go ahead, click on close. Okay, we have done with configuration wizard. Now let's go ahead, click on features tab. Right now we are using free version of this plugin. If you have premium version, then you will get extra features like insight, link suggestions, and many other features. Everything is good here. You can see. Let's go ahead, look at the integration. You don't have to change anything over here. Let's go ahead, click on Webmaster Tool. In the next part, I'll show you how to submit your premium dropshipping store on popular search engines like Google, Bing, and other popular search engines. But right now, let's look at the other settings. Let's go to search appearance. Everything is good here. Let's look at the content type. You don't have to change anything. Everything is good here. Let's go to the media. Again, everything is good. Let's go to the taxonomies. Here you can see we have category. You can hide category if you want, but I recommend you to turn this on. Below that, you can change your category SEO title. I recommend you to do not change your SEO title here, but you can do one thing. You can type the meta description for your categories. If you have premium version, then you can add a social image here if you want. But if you're just getting started, free version is more than enough. Under the tags, make sure you turn these options on. And the rest of the things are good here. Archives, make sure you turn the archive off. Breadcrumb, everything is good here. You don't need to change anything here as well. RSS feed settings, absolutely fine by default. You don't have to change anything. And now let's look at the social. So here you can add your social network URL anytime when you create it. After adding your social network URL, make sure to click on save changes. Once you do that, you will see another tab right here. If you want to edit your Facebook social network page, select that social network page. Here you can add your open graph metadata. Below here, you can add your Facebook social network image. I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna choose the same image. Okay, and click on save changes. We have the Twitter, we have the Pinterest. Everything is good here. In the same way, you can add your other social network URL and don't forget to click on save changes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can do on-page SEO of single product on your premium dropshipping store. To do that, log in into your dashboard and then hover your mouse over products and then click on all items. So here you can do on-page SEO of every single product of your site one by one. Here you can see these green and orange dot. That means this product is well optimized for search engines. To do that, let's choose your product and click on edit. So now you will see this section of Yoast SEO, readability and SEO. Readability is okay. SEO score is not available, right? So now we are going to make this product SEO friendly with on-page SEO. So how are we going to do this? Let's go ahead, scroll down. Below this product, you will see Yoast SEO section. In my premium dropshipping store, I'm using premium version of Yoast SEO. First thing you have to do is you have to add a focus keyword. Let's choose your focus keyword. I'm going to highlight the title and I'm going to copy it. Scroll down and paste your focus keyword. Now scroll down and you will see this section, SEO analysis. Click on that to expand it. It will tell you everything about your SEO problems and improvements. Now we have 4 types of problems and 3 types of improvement that we can do. Let's look at the improvement section. First, we have the image key phrase. Images on this page does not have alt attributes. To go away this improvement, we are going to add image attributes. To do that, find the images of your product and click on that. And here you will see alt text. Here paste your focus keyword and click on set featured image and scroll up and edit few other images. Select that, click on edit and paste your focus keyword over here and then click on update. Scroll down and let's see. So now you can see image key phrase under the good result. Now we have 2 improvements and next we have the SEO title width. SEO title is too short. So make it big. Let's scroll up. Press space bar. Let's add a dash, space, and I'm going to copy this text. And I'm going to paste it. Let's scroll down. And let's see. So now you can see we have the SEO title width under the good result. We have only 1 improvement and we have 4 problems. So next improvement we have key phrase distribution. Uneven some parts of your text do not contain the key phrase or its synonym. If you click over here, it will highlight the text in your product page. Let's scroll up. You can see, and you can see here. Let's try to remove this text. Let's scroll down. And let's see, the improvement still there. Let's remove it and let's scroll down. So now you can see the improvement has gone, but now we have 6 problem. Okay, let's go back to the top and undo this thing. So guys, when you see your readability okay and SEO score okay, that means your product is SEO friendly. But when you see good instead of okay, that means your product is well optimized. Try to make it good. If you're not able to make it good, don't worry, you're still good here. Scroll down and let's change a few other settings. And now we are going to add SEO title, slug, and meta description. SEO title is fine. You can see we have green line over here, which indicates that your SEO title is good. Let's scroll up. Let's copy this text. Scroll down and paste under your meta description and copy few more text. Scroll down and paste it over here.
It's too much. Let's delete some of them. Press start, something like that. Now you can see we have only 3 problems. We have outbound links. We have internal links. Outbound links means you have to add some other website links into your website. By doing so, your problem will be fixed. Internal links means you have to add your website URL into this product page and this problem will be solved. Let's go ahead and add internal links. Here you can see used internal linking. Let's copy this product page by clicking over here, or you can just highlight your other product and copy it. Scroll up and you can paste anywhere you want. Press enter and scroll down. Let's copy few other, or you can copy from here. And paste it over here. Press enter, and here you can type check out our other products. Okay, let's scroll down and let's see. So now you can see we have only 2 problems. We have outbound links and we have key phrase in introduction. Your key phrase or your synonym does not appear in the first paragraph. So make sure you add your key phrase in your first paragraph. And you can add some other website's URL on your product page to make this problem go away. Okay, if you scroll up, you can see our SEO score is good. That means this product is well optimized for search engines. But you can see our readability score is okay. That's fine. You can still go with it, but try to make it good if possible. Okay, so this is our basic on-page SEO for this product page. For advanced on-page SEO, just drop your comments in the comment section below and I will create a separate video for you guys. So once you do that, don't forget to click on update. Okay, so this is how you can do on-page SEO for your premium dropshipping store. So in part 13, we are going to look at how to submit your site on popular search engines like Google and Bing. By submitting your site on these popular search engines, your website will be visible in search results. If anyone going to search this keyword, which is my website name, you can see my website will appear in first result in Google. For example, run as VFX is my website name. I'm not typing the entire URL. I'm just typing a keyword of my website and my website will appear in the first place in a search results. In the same way, you can make your website visible to your customer. So let me show you how you can do it. So here, perform a Google search for Google Search Console and open up this website. So if you are new to Google Search Console, you have to create an account by filling a simple sign up form. Since I already have Google Search Console account, so I'm not going to do it. Let's go ahead, click on Start Now. And as you can see, I already logged in and I already have this website added on my store. In your case, you can add your property by clicking on Add Property button. When you see this type of pop-up window, you have to add your website URL or your URL prefix. This is a new way to verify your property and this is the old-fashioned way to verify your property. Let's go ahead and type your URL prefix. Here you can add your entire URL including HTTPS. In here you just have to type your URL. In the left side you can just add your domain name and then .com. Let's go with URL prefix. Type your entire website URL and then click on continue. So on this page you can verify your domain authority by uploading this file in your website root directory. This is the one way to verify your domain authority, or you can use HTML tags to verify your domain authority. Let's look at the first way. Let's go ahead, download the file, click on save, and let's go to your web hosting provider. In my case, this is a GoDaddy. Let's scroll down and click on manage under your web hosting. And now click on cPanel admin. Let's log in. In your cPanel, let's go ahead, click on file manager. Now click on public_HTML. And this is your WordPress website root directory. Here you have to upload your file. You can upload your file by clicking on upload button. Here you can drag and drop your file and go back to Google Search Console and click on verify and your domain ownership will be verified. Let's look at the another way. Scroll down, expand HTML tag. So here you can copy this entire tag and paste it in your header section of your theme. Let me show you how you can do it. let's go back to your website. So on your website, we are going to install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new and come over here and search for insert header and footer and install and activate this plugin by WP Beginners. In my case, I already installed and activated. To access this plugin, let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on insert header and footer. So in your header section, copy your meta tag. Let's go back to your Google Search Console. Copy your tag. Come back here and paste your tag over here. And then scroll down and click on save. Once you do that, let's go back to your Search Console and verify your domain authority. Since I already have my domain verified on Google Search Console, I'm not gonna do it. So let's go ahead and remove this property. Okay, so this is how you can submit your website on Google Search Console. Now let's submit our website on Bing Search Console. Perform a Google search for Bing Webmaster Tool and open up this website, Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool. So here you have to create an account on Bing Webmaster Tool by clicking on sign up and fill a simple sign up form. Once you create an account on Microsoft Bing, then go ahead, click on sign in. Let's sign in with Google. Once you log in your Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool, click on this drop down button. Here you can add your site. Simple and fastest way to add your site on Bing Webmaster Tool is to import your site from Google Search Console. However, you can submit your site on Bing Webmaster Tool in the same way we did in Google Search Console by typing your URL and then add your site. And next, you have to verify your domain authority. You can do it in the same way. First is you can verify your domain authority by uploading a file on your WordPress root directory. Second, you can copy the meta tag and paste it in your header section of your theme. You can do it by going to your dashboard, and again you can use the same plugin, insert header and footer, and scroll down, hover your mouse over settings, go ahead, click on insert header and footer, and here you can see we have one meta tag of Google Search Console. If you want to add meta tag of Bing Webmaster Tool, simply click over here and press enter, come to the second line and paste your meta tag, and then you can verify your domain authority. But fastest and easiest way, by simply clicking on import button and then click on continue. Choose your Google account and click on allow, and here you will see your domain from Google Search Console. You can import that domain directly in your Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool. Since I already done it, so I cannot do it again. So this is how you can submit your website on Bing Webmaster Tool as well. In the same way, you can submit your website on other popular search engines. So now I'm going to show you how you can submit your sitemap on popular search engines like Google and Bing. To do it, let's go to the dashboard of your Premium Dropshipping Store and then hover your mouse over Yoast SEO plugin and then click on General. Let's go to the Features tab, scroll down, and you will see XML sitemap. Click over here and then click on See the XML sitemap. So this is your XML sitemap generated by Yoast SEO. Let's copy the text after your domain name and go to your Google Search Console and make sure your domain is selected, and then click on Sitemaps, and here paste your XML sitemap URL and then click on Submit. I already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. In the same way, you can submit your XML sitemap on Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool. Make sure your domain is selected and then click on Sitemaps and click on Submit Sitemap. Here you have to type the entire sitemap URL. Just copy the entire sitemap URL, go to Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tool and paste the entire sitemap URL and click on Submit. I already done it. Here as well, so I'm not gonna do it again. Okay, so this is how you can submit your website. Okay, so this is how you can submit your XML sitemap on these popular search engines. So in part 14, you can create your social network accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. To create your Facebook account, you can click on Create New Account, then fill in the simple sign up form and your account will be created. Since I already have account for my Premium Dropshipping Store, so I'm gonna log in. Once you log in Facebook, you have to create your Facebook page. It is very simple to create a Facebook page. Let's click over here and then click on Page. Here you can type in your page name, your page category, and type your description. and then click on create page and your page will be created. Once you create your page, upload your logo and your cover page. Once you create and set up your Facebook page, then you can start posting on it. So if you're wondering like what should I post on my Facebook page? Well, you can post your website products on your Facebook page. Once you create your Facebook page, then you can create your Instagram profile. It is very simple. Let's go to Instagram and here you can click on sign up and fill in this simple sign up form and create your Instagram profile. Once you do it, upload your profile photo. You can upload your website logo and then you have to add the attractive bio and you have to add your website URL and your Instagram profile will be ready. If you're still confusing, don't worry. You can copy my Instagram bio and you can copy my strategies, what I do on my Instagram page and what I do on my Facebook page. Just copy my settings or my strategies and create your own Instagram and Facebook page. In the same way, you can create Pinterest and Twitter account. So it is self-explanatory. I don't want to waste your time. Create your social network account and bring traffic to your site. So in part 15, run your successful Instagram and Facebook ad campaign. To do it, let's head over to the dashboard of your Premium Dropshipping Store. Now scroll down and hover your mouse over Sellvia and click on product list. Now here you can choose the product that you want to promote with Facebook ad. First of all, let's visit on our site. On your Premium Dropshipping Store, find the product that you want to promote with Facebook ad. Let's say you want to promote this product. Open that product and copy the title. And let's go back to this product list and search this product. So under the product, you will see marketing material. Click on that. It will take you to Sellvia.com. Just log in, just type in your username and password and log in. And here, search the product again. When you do it, you will see a promo campaign for Facebook and Instagram, and you can also promote your product via email or Pinterest. In this example, we are going to look at the Facebook and Instagram campaign. Let's click on that. So here you can copy Facebook and Instagram ad campaign and you can launch your own Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. If you scroll down, you will see different types of promo campaign that you can copy and launch your own Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. Let's say you want to run this ad campaign. All you have to do, you can copy the text from here and you can download the image from here and you can use the text and image in your ad campaign. Next, go to your Facebook ad manager by typing facebook.com/ad manager and create your ad manager account. Once you do it, click on create and create your Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. In your Facebook and Instagram ad campaign, choose the right audience. If you do not know what kind of audience you should target for this particular ad, you can come back to this marketing material. In the right side, you will get the detailed target audience and you will see the gender, age and location. You don't have to worry about anything. Sellvia are going to help you to run your successful ad campaign. Just copy their targeting audience and you are good to go. Okay, so this is how you can run your Facebook and Instagram ad campaign with Sellvia.com. That's it. You have successfully created your premium dropshipping store. However, if you want to sell products in other countries, you can import product from AliExpress. You can watch this video and learn how to import products from AliExpress. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you really did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time.